Today we are here gathered to update on the progress of new oil palm establishment in Arunachal Pradesh. As the course of development palm oil sector in Arunachal, a northeast area, as we promised to the farmer community that we are going to establish a new processing plant which is going to take the farmers produce and also we can just generate the producing oil palm. So in this context, we just identified a land in a village called Jia, which is 9 kilometers away from a rowing town, where we just acquired 50 hectares of land and we just initiated the process called LPC. In Arunachal state, we need to take the LPC clearances from the government of Arunachal Pradesh to establish any sort of industry. So that process has already begun and we have started the approaching all local licensing departments, something like electrical department and industries and pollution and fire departments and forest. So to get all the clearances to start up the new oil palm processing plant in designated in a Jia village, so that which gives the feeler to the entire farmer community that we have the manufacturing facility going to come up in Jia village within a 12 months of span soon after getting the LPC. So the LPC document which has to be acquired in Arunachal Pradesh, which is under process, soon after getting that, we're going to start the new design engineering from Indonesian Malaysian technology of oil palm manufacturing. The design going to be acquired. It is totally automized plant and we're going to start the total new manufacturing facility in the rowing village which is in Jia soon after getting the LPC from Arunachal government. So we are here as committed by the 3F Oil Palm Management and 3F Oil Palm Division of Arunachal. We are one step ahead to establish the new oil palm industry which is very near to the rowing town and which is one of its kind technology to cater the entire state's produce. There was a contention or one view of a farmer which all these days that if at all we want to go for the new palm oil cultivation, where is the manufacturing facility in Arunachal or in the rowing where it can take their produce. Now we are here to announce that we are very near and we are ready to launch the new manufacturing facility which is in rowing. When we just approached the government of Arunachal Pradesh for the acquiring the new approvals or the permits which is required to establish new processing plant, we are really very well impressed and very happy to say that the DC, right from the DC office and to the electrical department, AEs and industries department, they really received very well and assured us to get the permits at the earliest and so to establish the new plant in Jia village. So on behalf of 3F Oil Palm, I love and we are happy to thank to the entire local departments and licensing departments and DC office for extending their fullest support for us to come up with a new plan. So we are here very happy and we are very happy and finally we can say that yes, as committed 3F Oil Palm, we are going to establish new processing plant in a village called Rowing. Thank you. We have a contention of cultivating the oil palm. Oil palm cultivation currently the soil issues or maybe the, as you rightly said, environmental issues. As such, there won't be any issues as the government of India, Mr. Modi, the palm oil mission and also Agriculture Department of India, they're promoting themselves because after looking at the Southeast Asia's or Southern Asia's countries where the palm oil, which is maybe created the issue of the soil issue and also the environmental issue. Whereas in India, we are not going to do any deforestation. It will be just on the agriculture base. The farmer will have to come forward and see, and we are not going to do cutting any forest so that it is going to impact the environment. So it is the initiation by the government of India to coming forward and growing the palm oil in the northeastern states is only because the weather conditions which are very suitable for a palm oil cultivation. It is unlike other areas, other parts of India, barring some coastal states, it is difficult to cultivate the palm because of the weather and rainfall conditions. whereas Arunachal, Assam are the very good weather conditions which supports the palm oil cultivation. As such, Government of India is which is promoting this palm oil. The one the greatest thing in the palm oil business for the farmer, you take any oil seeds in entire across the globe, the only oil palm yielding is like a 20 to 25% per ton of raw material, which is never the case in any oil palm seeds. So ये डालने से farmers को it will be double beneficial at the same time. It has got the very less labor work. आप unlike you go for any oil seeds which is required a more labor work, which required more water and also more what do you call that caretaking. Whereas palm oil, it is yielding starts right after fourth year. Then after getting the fourth year, we do not require much labor or much intervention of the farmer or farmer labor to go from palm oil, which is going to withstand right from the fourth year to the 25 years. It gives the the yield which is never the case of any oil seed produce. We are going to even give the assurance to the farmer community that this palm oil is supported by the Narendra Modi or the central government, that they're going to get the MSP, they get the minimum support price, whatever the case, whatever the scenario of the market or international or national market, they definitely get assured income for their produce. These the way motivational to the farmers, and farmers also will come forward as they have the minimum assurance from the government of India in terms of their raw material price and also the subsidies. They have the subsidies which is announced by the government, and they directly the subsidies goes to the farmer community soon after they convert their current scenario of the farming to the palm oil.